life would have been much easier if we had like some bubble gum. You know, you just have a bubble gum and you just stick it there, so, and no matter how much years you go back, you see the bubble gum there, so they're not to worry about, so they don't move. I'm just saying. Now the ex-girlfriend rule is you're my ex. I don't need to see you no more. I don't need to hear from you. You're just the ex now. Since the idea we decided to change up things. We have this ex and she suggests the idea to me like, let's be friends. And I'm like, well, cool. Never do this shit before, so come on, let's be friends. I will never do this shit again. Being friends with my ex, I realized that this is not possible. Like, no, you can't be friends with the ex. Like, no way. No, never. The other day, I did home, my chill ex-girlfriend hit me up. I was like, hey. Now the bitch was like, sorry. I mean, my ex-girlfriend was like,
hey, what you doing?
No, this is exactly what I say. I don't know. Just there a chill, play some video game as usual. Don't know the usual thing. No, she seemed concerned, so it does make sense me do the same and be concerned too. So I pop the question. Anyways, what you doing? No, her response was,
see, I'm just here chilling with my boyfriend. He went out to get us something to eat. He's the best boyfriend ever. I don't want another boyfriend. I mean, I just love him so much.
but I don't remember asking you that. We try to quit that, change the subject and ask this girl something else. So how's the family?
You know, my family is cool. I brought my boyfriend to meet them the other day and they really love him. I thought they loved you, but after they met him, I think they love him more.
The reason why we have this friendly relationship after we break up out our original relationship, I feel heal up each other. Now if each time I heal you up, all you wanna talk about is your boyfriend or just throw things about your boyfriend or your new boyfriend on my face, don't bother text back. Bitch, you're black now. You have a problem with your ex, either your ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, ex-dog, ex-cat, ex-cow, anything. Just comment and tell me your problem. And by the way, it was nice talking to me. Bitch.
She said she loved me, whatever.